gonna close the door so you can see how okay. That's it's pretty busy, that street. Tennis court and the pool is right there. It's a good little area. Washer and dryer. Alright. Now, oh, that's interesting. Oh, kitchen. Kitchen. These look updated. The view of the tennis court and wall. Okay. Alright. And this leads to first bathroom. Okay. Then, so the living room, and then the bedroom, closet, pretty good size. I'll come this way so you can see how it looks this side. Okay, now we can go to the master, or what's over here? Oh, it's a little closet. Okay, so 2 doors, and then master, and has a door. And closets on both sides, and 2 sinks, and the shower. Good. And this is it. Pretty open. All right, this is it.